Hello, this is this sniper. You can have another one, sniper. This is going to be Incredible Hulk, Star Wars sword. It doesn't matter. Okay, I'm going to make it today. And balloon motorbike. You know, when you going to the children's birthday party, you have to make quick and easy one. You can't make big one because a lot of children are waiting for their one each balloon. So, okay, we're going to start now. If you are learning, okay, just I'm going to show you about easy and quick. When I arrived to UK, I don't know how to twist the balloon. I never see in my life. So I start learning on the YouTube, like 1 hour or half an hour a day. Just watch, and you can twist yourself step by step. After that, everything easy. Don't worry, you're going to be fine. So you got two balloons, 260, yeah, and then you can make the first. You can make the handle. Just you can make a bend, or you can twist it small. Yeah, doesn't matter. So just do two bend. So you got two handle like that. Yeah, and you can start from. And you got like this handle, and you can twist it here. One, and twist it longer. Two. You can make twist two. And come back like about 3 inches around. Make a little bit soft. Yeah. And you can start making small flower petal. Yeah. Just twist it. And this one, now you got a handle and front part of the motorbike. It's going to be body, yeah? Just twist it together a little bit longer. And you can make this sit. Yeah? You can make any style flower petal or just like this. Sit for the driver. Yeah, now you got, and you can have a here another like this small flower petal. So you can keep it for the one, or doesn't matter really for that. Just tight, wrap it around, and this one also break it, or coming back to the body. Yeah, that's it. Now, low light motorbike. Not yet, because you have to put the tire underneath. So just tire is every car or motorbike, they're black, so just make a black one. And just join with this flower petal, and then you can, just make it round, that small flower petal, and then just twist it. And we got one tire and going another side. Right on the top. Let's make it another one. So you got two tire and you don't need it. That is the motorbike. See, it's not difficult and easy and quick, but a lot of people make it for a lot of things. It's difficult to do for their children. When you go to party, you have to make quick. This is your motorbike, you can give them, or you can put some small tip front lights. Because when you going to children party, you just thinking about how to make quick balloon for the children, but don't show the bigger one. First, you just make it quick, and then they will follow you. Oh, I want that, I want it, because sometimes they have no idea what they wanted. And then when you showing, and then they will follow you. Oh, I want that one, I want that one. Just like light bulb, This is the motorbike. Maybe you might think our handle is big, but you can make it short if you want it, Doesn't matter, short or big, just quick and easy motorbike. See? Thank you. Yeah, if you enjoy, please give me thumb up and subscribe. Thank you. I hope you can make it easy too.